Hi, it's Julie Palmer, editor at the Mercury, and I'm back in Pierce's kitchen with head chef Dan, who today is going to hopefully show me how to cook kedgeree. We've got all the ingredients ready to go. We have some cooked rice, butter, milk, eggs, garlic and a lime, smoked haddock with bay leaf, parsley, some coriander, spring onions and chilli, and Dan's very own special mix of herbs.
Ground coriander, turmeric, saffron and curry powder.
So we're ready to go.
Haddock and...
With the bay leaf?
Yeah,
yep.
Both of those.
You don't need to chop the fish up or anything? No? Can you buy the haddock already smoked?
Yep.
Yep.
But that's very lightly smoked. You want undyed smoked haddock. You can't get like horrible bright yellow stuff.
Right, not yellow.
Okay, onto the back burner. This one's not on today, so it's not too hot. Yeah.
That one, I was right. Yeah.
Just turn the heat up. I'll just let that bubble away. That will take 4 to 5 minutes to cook. That's all.
Okay.
Next job. Look. Okay, we need to finely slice.
Can I do them all in one go?
Do you feel happy to do that?
Chop the ends off.
Yeah. Remember, forwards and backs motion.
Chop these ends off.
If you cut to about, say about there, and then remember like we did last time. Forward, down, yeah?
Okay.
Finish that one off.
It's a curly one.
Looks like one of those would-be Frankfurt burgers. Okay, so all of this can come to one side. Chop the garlic. Remember what we did last time?
Oh, we've banged it on the top.
Yeah. Shall I bang it and you chop it? And then we're going to chop this nice and fine. Okay?
Fine. Fine is the key.
Just take a spoonful of oil into the pan there. So we're going to those need to go into there.
That's probably easiest.
Just keep that moving about as the heat gets into it. Right, so we're just going to quickly check the fish. So it's firmed up. That's nearly there.
Okay.
That'll be about 2 more minutes.
Yep.
So just let these sizzle, just keep them moving around. And now we hit it with the spices because it needs the heat cook the spices out.
Okay.
If you put them in at the last minute, they taste grainy and
Right.
not terribly great. Also going to get it with some butter.
So this is a dish from the days of the Raj then?
Yep. Specially designed for the Brits. Couple of butter.
Would they have cooked it less spicy for the British taste?
Probably, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take our fish off. So the haddock's out of the milk now, onto the plate, just cooling down a little bit. What we're now going to do is use some of this milk from the haddock, which has got all that flavour, into here. Not too much. Okay. That will just reduce and thicken a little bit. So it's thickening up a little bit. I'll go a little bit more. Okay, give that a step.
So you haven't got any corn flour or anything like that to thicken it?
It's purely a reduction.
Right.
What's going to happen when we add the rice into it, it's going to soak all that up.
Yeah.
Because traditionally you make it with uncooked rice, but this is a quick version, so if you've got leftover rice or anything, lovely. More than that do. So the easiest way, it should just peel straight off like that. Okay? So
Okay.
pull it out, it's still quite hot. So.
Don't want to waste any fish. Yep.
Just want to slightly flake it, break it up a bit.
Is that already boneless?
That's already boneless.
Yep.
Okay. Next one is obviously get the heat through the rice. We must make sure the rice is very hot. So you want to need all of this. Okay, so we're about mixing those. Take a bit more milk. Keep warm and let the heat get through it. Right, eggs can sit on top of the Kedgeree now. On top of that. Place the eggs down. And coriander. need to do is chop it up roughly. So I just gather it together. And okay?
Yep.
You can do the same with coriander. Then we need to cut the lime in half. We're going to squeeze half that lime onto here. Okay? Now, next the herbs will go in.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then literally mix it in. Just gently, try not to smash too much stuff up. I'm going to give it grinded pepper. Touch of salt. And then mix again. Start to serve. So if you want to start piling it in,
Piling it into the plate.
you like that?
Is there any particular way that we serve this?
No.
Do we tap the bottom of the dish?
No, don't think we'll need to today.
Okay.
So just make sure we've got a bit of eggshell. That's enough.
Why have I never had this before?
So to finish, some more lime.
I want to know what you've got in there.
Yogurt.
The yogurt.
Yes. Like a fruit style yogurt. All we do. Just take the droplets. Okay.
Perfect.
And to finish off, we use something called micro herbs. This is micro coriander.
Micro coriander.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely tiny but really packed full of flavour. So we're just going to do some of that on top. And that is Kedgeree. Kedgeree?
Thanks,
Your
Dan.
Kedgeree.
Thank you. I think this was one of the easiest dishes we had to make, and it looks absolutely fantastic. And tastes even better. It's like a really quick fish curry, and it's really, really tasty. Yeah, I'm definitely trying this one at home.